Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today we have some packages and I want to get them open and see what's inside of them. So the first one is these little bags here. So I'll just cut it open. And here I have a little Ziploc bag, and it's closed. It says Miss Fundel, size small in purple, viscose rayon. So this sounds like very nice, lovely fabric, and it's a ribbed tee fabric. This is cute. I like the color. It's like stretchy. The sleeves are stretchy. And it's a nice length. Like it'll hug your body when you wear it so it won't move. And the back is pretty plain. It's just that stretchy material. And I think I really like it. This is part of my summer gear. So I wasn't sure what it would look like, because like it was listed in like bodycon stuff, like apparel, but this is just a regular, like a jersey dress, and it's really pretty color, like a lavender, and it's kind of like a neutral tone. But I really like it. I can't wait to wear it. So let's see what's in the other bag. So this other bag is kind of larger. And it has some forks and spoons. It has groceries. It has toast. These are Burrito toast, the kind that I buy it, but these are not wheat this time. They're white bread, the original flavor. And then I have here 2 cans of chicken. So I bought these 2. They're like $1.50 each. So I bought them because like whenever I make like a quick meal, I like to just grab a little can of protein meat, whether it's lentils, beans, or beef or chicken or what have you. I like to just grab it and throw it in without fuss. So that's why I got these little cans. I thought it was convenient. The bigger cans, you can buy them too for $7.50, but this was $3. So I think it was less than $3. So I think it's a pretty good deal because it's just me that I'm feeding. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, this one's groceries too. So we have here 3 12-inch pizza crusts. They're ultra thin pizza crusts. So they're like they're thinner than like pita bread. No, I think they're about the same thickness as a tortilla, flour tortilla. Like a burrito wrap maybe. But they're already oven baked and everything ready to go. These you just top them and throw them in the oven, and you know, it's just a fast, quick meal. So I like that. And the only other thing that came in here are these oatmeal cream pies. I don't know why I like these oatmeal cream pies when I'm on a diet, because for some reason I seem to like get on my A game when I'm eating these. These come 12 per packet. These are 12 per packet, and they're this big, as you can see. They're filled with cream, as you can see. And let's take a bite. They're delicious. They're kind of old school, so I see why people don't really like them, but for me, you know, anything that helps improve my my diet and exercise program, I'm all for it, especially like stuff that's been in my diet since I was young. You know, when you have to keep cutting things out, it's no fun. And to be able to include these as a motivator, at least, just that alone, I think, you know, it makes everything kind of like balance out. The pros and cons of working out, being on a strict fitness regimen. You know, some days you wake up and you don't want to do it. It's too early, nobody else is up. But, you know, knowing that there's some parts of your normalcy that are still there, I think that's what makes it kind of okay, you know, to keep going and not give up, because you know, a lot of it doesn't take that much effort. Look at all that cream. These are really made from oatmeal. But, you know, sometimes they say like sugar, like it'll kick in, like when you eat it, like when you eat something out of nowhere that's really greasy or sugary, for some reason it just kicks in all the, they call it hormones, and those hormones start your digestion of all those carbohydrates and stuff, all those fats. And if you eat just a tiny amount, like, you know, like a little cake like this, it's not going to hurt you. In the first place, it's not going to hurt you. And in the second, if it kicks, you know, all those things into gear that are naturally occurring in your body, I mean, does that sound like, you know, like a lose-lose situation? For me, it's a win-win. So, you know, this right here, yeah, this is a winner's cake. I like this purchase. I have some more groceries. Even more groceries. Let's see what this is. Another Miss Fondo. Size small. And this is black. And it's the same exact dress, just in black. Same sleeve, same color, same front, and same back. So I'm gonna put this away. And see what's in here. I have this box of taco shells, hard and soft taco shells. These are grande taco shells. I kind of wanted to see what they were like, to be honest. Like, I can't like hold it in. I have to look. I have to look because like I want to know what I can make with it, you know? It didn't really describe it well. So let's see. It says grande, and these are regular size taco shells. So okay, maybe it meant like because it had so many things in it. I don't know. And here's the flour tortillas. They look delicious. There's 8 of them too. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't really see a difference. I thought grande meant the size. So those weren't really damaged, which is perfect. And these were on sale for less than $2. These are my favorite snack. They're saltine crackers. I eat these with everything. Right now, putting like spices on them and eating them like that instead of chips. So, because these save me some calories a lot, these are actually one of the mainstays in my diet, no matter what. I bought some household supply, and they match. So this is the dish soap fragancia, and this is the air freshener fragancia. They're both in sweet rose water, and they're by Clorox. So this was $3. This was $2. $2.99 and $1.99. So I think the smell is really good, and I use floral scents in all my cleaning and household supply, etc. So I like this purchase. Let's see, the other groceries I got, of course, I got grated Parmesan cheese for when I use cheese. I love this cheese. It's easy to use. It melts. It has like a melting point. Believe it or not, it does have a melting point. It's kind of drier than regular cheese, but I really like it. I use it with every kind of food, to top any kind of food, and to add, you know, cheese flavor to everything. I know some vegans, they use yeast, and some people, you know, they like squeezed cheese, and most people use shredded cheese, fresh cow cheese. This to me, it tastes fresh, and also it has like a little extra kick to it because it's aged, so I like it. This is Cholula hot sauce. I bought the Cholula habanero, and I thought it was good. This is tequila and lime. I didn't know it had lime in it, but it's got tequila, and it's agave tequila. Cholula hot sauce. I haven't tried it yet. I don't think I ever tried it yet. So maybe when I make a recipe, I'll try it on the video. But it just looks like hot sauce. It doesn't look like, you know, extra spicy or whatever, or less spicy. So can't wait to try that. Of course, I got my drinks. Lemon. Gotta get those electrolytes this summer. Here. I have, oh, hygiene. Here I have, this is pasta sauce. I got this pasta sauce for one of my recipes that I'm gonna be making. If you want to see it, let me know. But this is Cabernet marinara sauce. So it's just regular pasta sauce, but it's got marinara, like with herbs and Cabernet. It looks really good, doesn't it? It's not like really thick like marinara usually is, but also it holds. Look at that. I like that kind of pasta where it's kind of like you just scoop it. So this, I like this. I got this for like less than $4, which it comes with two refills and a warmer. So for me, this is like perfect. Like I always refill my, like when it's been warm out, like sometimes I have the windows open, so I'll use a little bit more. But these refills, like sometimes like you need to replace them, so I like to have the extra one whenever I'm ready to switch it out. I'd say last but not least, I bought some more oatmeal cookies. Usually I snack on, or I have oatmeal for breakfast, but I'm thinking I kind of want to take it easy on the oatmeal. Also, I don't want to exclude it from my diet entirely, so I thought it would be good just to use it in a smart way, and that way I incorporate it into like my sweet, into things I eat that are sweet anyway, because oatmeal is sweet anyway. And these are not really that bad for you, so let's give them a try. These are good. They have the perfect amount of sweetness. It's not overpowering, and they're crispy. Like when you bite into it, it's kind of like excuse the weather, it's thundering out. But I really like these cookies. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys joining me tonight, and I'll see you guys again on the next video soon on my salon different. Bye bye.